Welcome back to my YouTube channel EzyMentor, and today we are going to discuss how to open Jupyter Notebook in our system and how to work in Jupyter Notebook. So here you can see I have opened an web page called Anaconda install, and here you can see in the Anaconda install page there's an option called download the Anaconda installer. Here the setup will be installed into our system and we want to install using that setup. Then you can see here there's the procedures how to install Anaconda into your PC, and just click on next, again click on install, and the setup, using the setup we can install Anaconda into our PC. So using this process, install Anaconda into your PC, and after installing Anaconda, in our search bar open Anaconda and launch Jupyter Notebook into your system. So by launching the Jupyter Notebook into your system, Jupyter Notebook will be available for you to coding. So Jupyter Notebook is software, coding software where we can code. Here we will be working using some codes, and you can see how we will be working. So after launching Jupyter Notebook into your into your system, you may be available Jupyter Notebook over here in your search bar. Search Jupyter Notebook, you will be getting Jupyter Notebook. So here I have already opened Jupyter Notebook. This is the user interface of the Jupyter Notebook, and you can see here you can see loads of folders over there. Then if you want to create one folder inside this, create a folder. While clicking on the folder, you can see here one folder will be created without name. So you can see there is untitled folder. This is my folder. You can click on this. You can click on this untitled folder, and you can see there's no files inside that. So this is our folder we have created now, and you can rename this folder using by clicking on this and click on rename. You can rename here. You can give any name. So I'm giving Python 1. Then press enter. You can see here Python 1 is created. Then if you want to delete this file, go and click on this. Go and click on this, and you can move to trash. So I am not now moving into trash. I want to show you how to create a Python workspace over this folder. So I have selected Python 1 this folder, and I have got a new. Here you can see there is an option to create Python notebook. This is Python 3 IPY kernel. You can click on this, and you can see a Python notebook will be created here inside this Python 1 folder, and you can here rename your Python notebook name as Python 1. So this is your workbook. This is your workspace for working in Jupyter Notebook. And you can see here inside file there are lots of options: create a new notebook, open a notebook, make a copy, save, rename, and you can download it in IPYNB format or in .py format, and you can edit, you can view, you can insert cells above and below, you can run cells. Then there is a plus icon to add the code lines. There is a cut option to delete it. Then there is a run option. Inside this you can create code sections, markdown, headings, etc. Like this you can do many things in Jupyter Notebook. So now we have studied how to create a Jupyter Notebook workspace, Jupyter Notebook inside a folder. Then if you want to create a file. If you want to import data into this notebook, we can see that in a next video. Okay, thank you for today.